YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Scat Boy 392. Today, you know what I'm saying, I'm back again with another video. This one's something light, you know what I'm saying, nothing really too crazy, but still some quality content. You know what I'm saying? Let me just show y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? We got packs in the mail today. You know what I'm saying? We got something in there, we got something in there, and we got something in there. So obviously today we got a new mod. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. In case you ain't read the title yet, you probably read the title, so you already know what's going on. But I'm gonna show y'all what it is after I unbox it, and we're gonna get straight into the video. Like always, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and please turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. As well, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's scatboy_392, Facebook scatboy_392, man. And you already subscribed on YouTube, so we lit already. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. We about to have a nice video, man. I got something crazy in store. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. So I already unboxed the 2 products that I'm installing today. I do got some more products that actually came, but I'm gonna say that for another video, so y'all make sure y'all definitely subscribe. But the main product that I'm gonna be installing today is the shadow light, and this came from Amazon. I bought it from East Fly, and basically these are puddle lights. And the ones I chose to go with, of course, I got a Scatpack, so I chose to go with the Scatpack puddle lights. If you got any kind of, you know, Dodge Challenger or Charger, they got puddle lights that just say Charger, ones that say Challenger, ones that say RT. They got the Hellcat emblem. So whatever kind of, you know, Mopar you got, they have the shadow light or puddle light for whatever kind of car you got. Also, if you got, you know, another kind of car that's not a Mopar, they do sell those as well. But this product was $30. And the second product I'm gonna be installing, this like a little bonus. These just valve caps for the tires. They got little if you could see it, it's probably hard to see. I'm gonna give y'all a better view later, but they got little Scatpack emblems on them, and they're red, so it'll kind of color coordinate the car. Real light, slight, but it's the little things that count, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these products. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like, and I'm gonna show you how to install them real quick. This is nice and easy. The only tool you're gonna need is a flathead. And if you know me, you know I'm not no handyman. I usually pay people to do stuff. So whenever I could do anything for my car, I've been learning, and I've been trying to do it myself. So, you know, real quick little clap for your boy doing things on his own like a big boy, man. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna keep the video rolling, man. Let's get it. Alright, so I got the puddle lights open. It's pretty much what's inside the box. It's wrapped in this nice little plastic, and that's what it is. It's 2 puddle lights. I got one for the driver's side, and I got one for the passenger side. So I'm gonna show y'all how to install these real quick. Like I said, it's real quick, simple, and easy. So as you can see under here, where my original puddle lights are, that's what I'm gonna be popping out. It's a little notch that's on this side. Pretty much you got a flathead, you could pop it out, and then you pull the light down, and I'm gonna show y'all how to get the light out real quick. All right, so as you can see, I got the stock light out, which is this one right here. I actually struggled getting this thing out because, so I'm gonna save y'all from making a mistake. So I was pressing right here on this side really hard, and I couldn't get it out. Like, I hurt my finger and everything. I kind of broke the housing on this side, but it shouldn't be nothing too serious. But actually, it's this side right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a little pin right here, and you want to press in there. I actually had to use the flathead to press against it, and then it slid out pretty easily. But yeah, so learn from my mistake. Like I said, the light's still gonna work. I just kind of damaged the housing right there, but it's whatever. So we're gonna pop the new one in real quick. All right, so I'm about to install the new light. As you can see right here, I got both parts. So they are labeled. One is left, you probably can't see that, but there's an L on that one, and then there's an R on that one for right. So pretty much it should just be snap and play, just like that. It's in there. Like I told y'all, I damaged the house a little bit, but it's good. So you just want to push the light kind of back in, and it should just fall right into place. Let me get on my knees so I can see what I'm doing. But yeah, just like that, you just snap it back down there, right there. You know what I'm saying? You see it's in there nice and flush. And usually when you're dealing with like any kind of electrics, you know, electricity or electric sockets, whatever, you want to unplug the battery because you don't want to get shocked, you don't want any sparks. But for this instance, we ain't really have to do all of that. The car is off, so the light, as you can see, it's not even on. But I'm gonna just turn it on real quick to make sure that the car do recognize the light. And if you can see, it's super light, but you see that yellow right there? That's from the B. But I can show you the light working right there. So as you can see, the light do work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the other side and I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the other side. I already showed y'all how to do it, so I'm not gonna really show you on the other side. And then when it gets dark enough to see the light, I'm gonna come back with the video so y'all can see how it turned out, because I really can't even see it right now. It's super light. I could just see the yellow hitting the ground, so I know that it's working. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, so I just got the passenger side light out, and this is a warning. When you're doing this, be careful because this back side can be hot. Now the driver's side wasn't really that hot because it kind of took me a little while to get it out. I ain't even gonna lie, but like I said, I already figured it out because I got this one out quick. But you just want to use your screwdriver to press in there. Like I said, it's a little button right there. You want to press in there, not this side, not the back side, but this side. So this thing was kind of hot, but it's not, you know, I mean, I could hold it. It's not that hot. Just a little forewarning to be careful. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this light, put it up, and I'm gonna install the Scatpack Puddle light, and then I'm gonna let it get dark so I can show y'all the end result. I got a feeling this gonna be crazy, man. I got a feeling. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. So as you can see, it's still sunlight. So while we wait for it to get dark, I'm gonna go ahead and install these right here. These came from Amazon. These are pretty much valve caps, and they pretty much go on your tire. As you can see, my Scatpack came with these. It's just plain Jane silver, and it's, you know, it say N2, it's green. But we're gonna replace them with these. They are red. It's gonna, you know, kind of color coordinate my car. It's gonna add a little slight pop to it. Nothing too crazy, but like I said, it's the little things that matter. So these came from the PD store. They actually send you 5. So I guess if you lose one, you got an extra. These was $9, and the Scatpack Puddle lights, if I'm not mistaken, they were $30, but you can look them up on Amazon. They might have been on sale because a lot of the videos I watched, people paid $40. So I'm gonna install these real quick. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like after they installed, and then once it gets dark, I'll show y'all the puddle lights, man. All right, guys, so I got the valve caps installed, and I must say, they fire. See if I can get y'all a close-up. It's kind of blurry. So yeah, if you can see it, it's pretty much the Scatpack B logo, and they are red. So it's just a little hint of, you know, a little hint of sauce, and it just set it off, you know what I'm saying? Real super light, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing crazy, but I do like it. It do look good up there. So I pretty much put the old ones in the box. Y'all see the Scat right there. My baby dirty. You probably can't tell because I'm in the shade, but yeah, pretty much it's easy as twisting them off and twisting the new ones back on. I took the old ones and I put them in a little Ziploc bag that these were in, and I just threw them in a glove box. So whenever you doing like anything with your car, I don't care if you're getting a mid-delete, make sure you keep your mufflers. Anything that you do where you're taking something stock off and you putting on an extra part, some aftermarket, make sure you keep the original stuff. That way when you go to sell your car, you can put that stuff back on and keep the stuff you paid good money for. Or you could tell whoever you're selling your car to, like, look, I paid so and so for these, you know what I'm saying? So it's going to increase the value of the car. But always keep your stock stuff, because in a lot of instances you're going to get more money for your car stock. Plus, if you get another, you know, whether it's a Scatpack, you might get another Scatpack, you might get the wide body, or you may get a newer year Scat Pack. A lot of this stuff you'll still be able to use. So all right, YouTube, Scatboy 392, and I'm back. And it's dark enough right now so y'all can see the puddle lights. I just checked them out. You know what I'm saying? Ran into the mall, grabbed something to eat, and I came back out. Fire. Let me show y'all real quick though. I'm saying, y'all see the Scat right there. Check me out, bro. Ooh. Stop playing, bro. Stop playing. You see the projection light right there. Big Scat. It's lit, man. That's hard, bro. You can't tell me that ain't hard. Go to the other side so I can show y'all where it's successfully installed on the other side. It's good quality too. Like, it ain't like you think, you know, it will look cheap or nothing. That joint lit, bro. Look at that. And it ain't even like dark for real. Like, you see the light, it's still light out here, but you can still see it. Imagine how that joint look in a night. So yeah, that's just a quick little preview. I'm gonna actually show y'all one more time because I feel like it look good right now, but I feel like when it get dark, it's gonna look crazy. So we're gonna come back in like 30 minutes. It should be dark, and I'm gonna show y'all the last one. Y'all make sure if y'all still watching, y'all subscribe to the channel, man. It's free. You already watching, you already here, you might as well subscribe, man. Big Scat talk, you feel me? Let's scatter. All right, YouTube, as promised, I told y'all I was gonna wait till it got nighttime so y'all can see how the new puddle lights is looking. Man, the lights is crazy. I'm finna show y'all though, man. So I'm gonna open the door up for y'all. Ooh, you see that? Yo, that's fire, bro. I love these lights. I'm not even gonna cap. It's fire. It just add that spice, man. Like, it's something light, but it's like, dang. You know what I'm saying? Like, when somebody hop in your whip, that's gonna throw them off. Like, they not expecting that. They not ready for that, bro. Let me show you the passenger side working too. Stop playing. Y'all see the big Scat. And like I said, it's very good quality. Like, look at it. That might be a thumbnail right there, but look at it, man. Quality is fuego. Like, hey, for $30 that I spent on these lights, it was well worth every single cent. I'm telling you. I'm gonna put the link in the bio to the Amazon link to where I purchased the puddle lights, and I'm gonna put the link for the little valve caps. You might want the valve caps, you might not. Like I said, this video really wasn't about the valve caps, but I wanted to give y'all a little extra, because as y'all know, whenever I do a video, I try to give y'all a little extra because I rock with y'all, because y'all rock with me. So like I said, if you new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, man. We're growing every single day. Even on Instagram, the page is growing. I just hit 500 followers, and definitely follow me. I'll follow you back. Like, if you follow me, you like some pics, even comment, be like, yo, I watch your YouTube, I'm gonna follow you back, and I'm gonna rock with you, and I'm not gonna forget who you are, because you know what I'm saying, you appreciate my content, and I appreciate that more than anything. So like I said, you can follow me on Facebook, Scatboy_392. You can follow me on Instagram, Scatboy_392, and you already know the YouTube channel, Scatboy392, man. We coming hard, man. We about to get the mods popping. Like I said, I got another box already ready, so expect the video within a couple days, if not tomorrow, man. But yeah, we out of here, man. A little light slight video, man. It's your boy Scatboy392. Let's scatter.